Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download the WATTPAD app on your PC. So, for the first step I want you to go to your Microsoft Edge browser. Reminder guys, you can't use any other web browser. You must only use Microsoft Edge in order for this to work. But if you don't have Microsoft Edge, you can download it on Chrome easily. Just search for Microsoft Edge Download and download it. And once you have it, just open it. And once you're on your Microsoft Edge, go to the official website of WATTPAD. So just search for wattpad.com on your search bar. And now that you're on the official website of WATTPAD, next click these three dots at the top and then select More Tools and then Apps. After that, click Install this site as an app, then just rename it as WATTPAD, then click the Install button once again, and after that it's done. You will now have your WATTPAD installed on your PC. Here, just check Create Desktop Shortcut if you want to, and now just log in or create your account, and then you will be able to use it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.